Masquera say Mre Zimbabwe, welcome to our channels in confessions and deep secrets. Kana kariki kutanga kukuya panino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mre Zimbabwe tafikirai ya budiswa with ZW News ya buda chitaura iyo chiti the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission ZEC Adedzwa kuti appear before the Parliamentary Public Accounts Committee musi Friday apo paninyaya yari kunetsa ye multi-million-dollar tender scandal yiri kusanganisira President Emerson Mnangagwa's associate Wicknell Chivayo. Ndofuka pane recordings akalika a conversation between Chivayo and his former business partners Moses Mpofu and Mike Chimombe. Avo vakarivila kuti they were part of the deal yorai involve a South African company iyo yainzi Rainform CC iyo rangari worth over 40 million Mre Zimbabwe, and vatatu vakatanga kunetsana ninyaya yekushare mari dzakabuda ipapa. Chimombe uyo anova ZANU-PF Central Committee member and the president of the Economic Empowerment Group iyo iri aligned ne the ruling party pamwechete na Moses Mpofu. They are under investigation by the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission ndofunga the Parliament's Public Accounts Committee iyo inocheiwa na vachauton wende ya vabuda vachiconfirma vachi they've invited ZEC to the National Assembly later this week for questioning. The meeting is open to the public. Vabuda pa exendo yavo vachauton wende this week as we continue with our oversight role at ZEC Zim will appear before the Public Accounts Committee on Friday, 5 July at 10 a.m. at Parliament of Zimbabwe. This meeting is open to the public and the media. Those are Buddha Chauton. Now, Chauton Wende, in response, ZEC has a distance from allegations I have Ivo. Actually, they had no links with Chivayo. Nevangwe Vake, I see Panama documents. Akalika from the Treasury. I sent my invoices. Akalika the public domain. Achiratidza kuti Rainform CC yakapinda into an agreement with Better Brands, a company inoonwa ne ZANU-PF legislator Pedisai Scott Sakupwanya uyari kunzi akabva partner na Wicknell Chivayo. So the purpose of the deal they were supposed to work together to come up with a proposal to ZEC to supply the voter registration kits and electoral materials. So the electoral materials mangwacho ana kuya deliver despite my indications ekuti pane mari dzakabhadharwa. Twarakwatrikuita senators have taken the finance, economic development and investment promotion minister Vamtuli Ngube kuti vawanikwe vachitsvaga kuti this deal rakafamba sei. ZEC yakaengage sei ne South African company to deliver the electoral materials. Opposition senator Vasengezo Shabangu vakaraiza the issue in the Senate vachiquestion kuti why the finance ministry yakabhadhara for the invoice portable toilets and translucent light boxes ayo ari kunzana kudeliverwa. Vakabuda vachiraya vachiti there is an allegation that ZEC, which is a product of Chapter 12 of our Constitution, engaged a South African company to deliver materials for the 2023 elections. The company has not delivered the materials to date. So the invoice that amounts to $9 million was authorized by the Minister of Finance after the elections. My question is, why did the Minister of Finance settle the full invoice amounting to over $9 million, which went through its banker CBZ on September 7, 2023, for the procurement of the portable toilets, V11 forms, and translucent light boxes that were never delivered? Vashabangu vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti the allegations are their foundation and these are their foundation and kwanisa kubuild a case with the taxpayers' money irikubiwa asi zvisinei the Presidential Affairs Minister Valuk Matuke vabuda vachidismissa allegations aya vachitaura vachiti they are unsubstantiated vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti the allegations are not substantial. We cannot deal with information which is not substantiated. What the Honorable Senator is saying has no proof. I thought we could research more on that because there is nothing like that which happened. It never came in the public domain. Those are simple allegations. Then the Senate Deputy President Mike Nyambuya vabuda vachikurudzira vasengezo shavangu kuti vaise the question in writing zvakare vorifia the question to the Justice, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Deputy Minister Vanobed Mazungunye avo vakabuda vachirequesta time to research and verify my allegations before varesponda. Vakabuda vachitaura vachiti as far as I'm concerned, I feel that question is a specific one which might require time to go back and research more on it, and maybe if we do our findings then we can properly respond to that matter. And at the moment there are still allegations which are not substantiated as has been said already, but we may need to go and verify again. Ndomamiro azvakaita mune Zimbabwe tisingazive kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi. Kutaura kwatiri kuita ZEC haisi kubvuma kuti they were involved mudeal irori mune Zimbabwe. Inofunga pane statement yavakabuditsa vachitaura vachiti we have noted with great concern social media posts, rumors circulating online that are causing public alarm and despondency, and would like to put it on record that the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission has no contract nor did it procure any election material from or through individuals being mentioned in the reports. All materials procured from the 2023 harmonized elections were obtained in line with the procurement regulations, and there was due diligence as all tender processes were subjected to oversight. We challenge all those alleging that the Commission has a contract with the three individuals to come forward and present the same. We want to also publicly declare that the actual amount used for the procurement of all the election materials were far less than the figures being mischievously circulated on social media. All election materials procured during the 2023 harmonized elections were delivered on time. The Commission also checked with the suppliers who categorically stated in writing that they did not have any contract with the same individuals for the supply of election materials during the 2023 harmonized elections. Furthermore, there were no third parties between the Commission and all election material suppliers. Any statements suggesting a contractual link between ZEC and these individuals for the supply of the 2023 harmonized elections materials are inaccurate, misleading, and mischievous, and therefore should be dismissed with the contempt it deserves. The Commission assures all its stakeholders that all procurements were above board. Are they going to accept this time nenyaya kuti vadedzwa mu Parliament tudziwe zvamukufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.